Okay, so last time we did the cone bushing. Next time we're going to look at the pivot bushing. So it's going to be pretty similar. Let's double click that and open it up. And once again, you can see that we've got a couple of steps here. We've got one more than last time, but it looks like a little cap. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got a sketch, a revolve, and then we've got a fillet on the end there. So let's have a look at our sketch. So you can see there's our origin there. We've got I'll zoom in a little bit and let's pull these dimensions back in to make life a little bit easier. All right, so let's have a look what we've got. We've got a construction line going on down the middle there, or it's actually a centre line. So this time it's the one on the right-hand side there. And we've got one at the top as well. So those two that centre line is 11 millimetres long from origin to the end. And then we've got one that's going across 6.9 millimetres from there across to there. Once we've got those two lines in there, then we can do a short break. So we've got a straight line that's going down here, which is 3.5. It steps out, so it's actually going in. If I see if I can click on this, we've actually got like a step, so it's going across, down, then these arcs. So we've got a straight line. Don't forget to put the tangent in there, and then down to that, and then again we've got a straight line across there. We've got a straight line of 1.5 millimeters there. It comes in that little bit, and then down, straight line again to there, and then a curve. So that point there, if you just rough that in, then set that to 3.5 millimeters. That point from the top face there is 3.5, which will be 2 mils is your straight line there. I'll just double check that, see how good my math is. Where'd my dimension tool go? Oh, let's escape out of that and go to create and sketch dimension. And so from that point there to that point there, I said it was 2, and it is. So it's 2 millimeters there, and then our top line there, if I was to go from that point there to that point there, it's 2.7. It's a driven dimension because we've outlined the dimension for that point there as a 16 mil diameter from that point, and the inside point there is defined from that edge, so 1.6. Once we've done all those, go finish sketch. We're then going to do a revolve, same as what we did last time in the last cone bushing, and you can see that sort of profile a little bit better there. So we've got our centre line going down the middle. You can see our blue highlighted profile that we are revolving 360 degrees. So do that right around, create a new body. Once we've done that, we've actually got, if we look up carefully, here on the edge, we've got some fillets going on the top edge and the bottom edge. So our fillets, if you double click on that, we've got 2 fillets on those 2 edges, the top and the bottom, and those fillets are 0.3 of a millimetre. So not very big, a tiny little rolling fillet across the top there, across that edge there. Go OK, and that is it. That's pivot bushing. I've done mine and changed the appearance of it, but it doesn't really matter. You can change it to a black rubber if you like, but that's it for the pivot bushing. Thanks for watching.